Alright, today I'm going to show you how to create an email account. We are here in Google and we're going to click on Gmail. From here we're going to click Create an Account. When creating an email account, you need to put in your first name, your last name, and choose a username, something clear that helps people know who you are. And then you create a password that only you know. And here, if you have issues with creating a username, you would need to create something that not everyone has. And then a password you could create is something that you'll remember. And follow the password strength ideas on the left-hand side. And then you confirm your